In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Amazon affiliate account. If you're looking to monetize your website or blog by promoting products from Amazon, then this is the perfect place to start. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to visit the Amazon.com Associates Central website. It's a simple and straightforward process, but I want to ensure you know exactly where to go. Once you reach the homepage, the next step is to start filling out the form. This is crucial as you need to provide some basic details about yourself and your business. Make sure to fill out all required fields accurately, as this information will be used to set up your affiliate account. After completing the form, move on by clicking the Next button. This will guide you through to the next part of the application. Here, you will need to type in your website or blog URL. This is where you'll be implementing the affiliate links, so make sure the site is up and running. If you have more than one site, you can add each one individually. Once you've typed in your website, be sure to click the Add button to register it with Amazon's system. Next up is agreeing to Amazon's terms and conditions. To do this, you simply click the checkbox indicating your consent. It might seem like a small step, but it's vital to proceed. Following that, there might be a prompt asking whether or not your content is directed at children under 13 years of age. For most websites, the answer is no, and you can click accordingly. To wrap up the initial page, click on Confirm to proceed to the next stage of registration. Now, this part involves typing out a preferred store ID. This is essentially your unique identifier within Amazon's affiliate program and should be related to your brand or website name. Following this, you'll be asked to describe what your content is all about. Be specific, as this will help Amazon understand your niche and better tailor your affiliate links. Selecting the type of content you offer is next. This could be anything from a blog to a review site. Just select whichever option best fits your business. Amazon might also ask how you heard about their affiliate program. This isn't vital, but it can give them valuable feedback. Lastly, you'll need to agree to their terms by clicking the checkbox provided. Finally, once you've gone through all these steps and confirmed the details, click on Finish to complete your application. Congratulations! You've now created your Amazon affiliate account. From here, you can start generating links to products and earn commissions from any resulting sales. Happy affiliating and best of luck in your new venture.